Hey friends, I'm Stacy
And I'm Kevin. We are currently in the Sonoran Desert.
in Arizona, and we are hiking because we love to go hiking, but not just any kind of hiking. We want to do hiking as an experience. We want to fully enjoy the outdoors. We love to make hiking an experience, not just hiking, but do longer hikes, take breaks in between. But in order to take a break, we really feel like we need a chair. We've tried 3 different hiking chairs, and we're going to show you which one is best.
So the first chair that we purchased was a chair from Walmart, which is kind of a dupe of some more expensive chairs. The hard part with that was that chair was actually very heavy.
The second chair we got was a lot lighter, and I loved it. It was from REI until I was on the trail and I set it up and the legs sunk right down into the dirt and I flipped over off the trail.
Was not a good day. And actually, I forgot about one of the chairs I got, which was a little tripod chair from REI as well. That was nice. It was lightweight, but it was just very, very small. And here's the other problem. I had a problem with it sinking in the dirt as well. So we landed, literally, and we love this, the Nemo Moonlight Elite. And there's a couple features in here that make this just stand out so far above all the rest. The majority of the chairs that are like this lean back very far. I have to be able to sit up more straight. I've got a couple of damaged vertebrae in my back. So any of the other chairs I did not like until I tried this one. This has got an adjustment where you can actually pull this forward and it sits you more straight up. So that is actually a chair that I can use, and it's super comfortable. I can still recline if I want to, but most of the time I do need to sit straight up.
First of all, it's super small, it's very compact, and it's lightweight, just over a pound. And let me show you how this works. It wraps up in the base for the chair. Now the base, remember I fell off of my chair? I'll show you how this base works in a minute. But it wraps all up in the cover, and all I have to do is unwrap everything and then put it together. Voila.
So one of the neat things about the Nemo is you can see there's 2 color codes on this corner and 2 on these corners. So the color codes on the seat are going to go with the color code ends on the chair. And they actually just go on and you just push it on until you hear it snap. So that's very easy. So now we have the chair in place, and this is the way most chairs would be. But again, Stacy had the problem where she sat down, it was some soft dirt, she went down and flipped over. So now the best part about the Nemo is that there's an actual base that you can put under those feet to hold it on top of the ground. So basically all we need to do is put those feet into these corners. Now if you look, you'll see there's actually even a string on each corner if you need to pull it up. You put it right up into that part of the fabric. So then once all 4 corners are in, now you have a chair that has a base. So even if you're in sand at the beach or something like that, now it's still going to be firm.
And this, my friends, is what it's all about.
Taking time to enjoy while being outside and getting the physical exercise.
In a nice chair.
In a nice chair, yes.
We'll put the link in the description below, just in case you're interested in it. And of course, if you found any value in this, if you give us a like and a subscribe, we'd certainly appreciate it. Get out there.
Have an adventure.
And be free. See you in the next adventure.